I've been looking at laser companies for a while because obviously I was taking it very seriously as to what equipment I was going to invest in. But I started becoming quite sort of disheartened at the hard sales sort of side of things. And the nice thing about Lynton is they don't have to do the hard sell because the equipment does the sell for them. I actually invested in a Lynton LUMINA, which has been the best decision I ever made for my business. It's very versatile, the results are fantastic. So as a practitioner, it's just, I'm in it for the long term, I'm not in it to make a quick buck. And I think, when you're getting fantastic results and clients are coming back to you and telling their friends, you're in it for the long term when you invest with Lynton. Initially it was hair removal. We're now doing tattoo removal because we have the active Q-switch, YAG. That's quickly becoming the second most popular treatment. But sort of vascular treatments, we do thread veins, we treat birthmarks, we're getting amazing results. But yeah, so hair removal, tattoo and vascular. Absolutely. What you have to understand is when you buy a Lynton machine, you're not just buying a piece of equipment, you're buying into a family pretty much. You're buying into the Lynton team and the aftercare support. If you're new to laser, you wouldn't really want to buy equipment for anyone else because Lynton are there at the end of the phone. You email them, they respond. They have such amazing support behind you, and for me it's very much the way I treat my customers is the way Lynton treats me as a customer. So they are there for you. They're as keen to get the results as you are actually in the clinic physically treating a client.
My name's Wendy Wills. I'm co-owner of Remedies near Exeter in Devon, which was established in 1996. We've been customers of Lynton Laser for 12 of those years. Met John Exley in Manchester all those years ago and was very impressed with him and the company at the time. It was what we were looking for. We weren't looking for a salesman, we were looking for someone who knew their product and knew it well. And we currently have 2 LUMINA systems, so we've got ND-YAG, IPL and Q-switched and an Omnilux. Enormously. It's a completely different business now to what it was in 1996 when we established ourselves. It's gone the way we wanted it to go through our drive, but also Lynton's drive and support. They've helped us decide which machines go best for our business and worked with us to develop in the way that we wanted to develop. Very, very good. There are problems from time to time, and because we're in Devon and Lynton are based in Manchester, there was initially, it's quite a long way, but actually it's instant, really. There's always someone at the end of the line, if we do have a problem with the machine, to try and help us to sort it. Or I don't think there's ever been a time when someone hasn't come down within 24 hours. Or we had an incident where we had a machine from them, they took ours away, so we weren't without a machine for very long at all, because obviously that's really, really important when you've got a busy laser clinic and you've got clients booked in. And their education was a big thing that sold it to me personally as well, and particularly with John and the fact that they're all physics whatever and so they really, really know their product, and education is key, really, and continuous education and development, really important for me and my staff. Yeah, definitely recommend them all the time, and to clients as well. If they're moving around the country and we're losing them down in Devon, they go elsewhere, just look for a Lynton clinic and you'll be fine.
We decided to buy the Lynton Laser because of the history of Lynton, because of the medical background and really the university background. You know that it's coming from a good base. oh my word, fantastic. Yeah, we have had such fantastic results from the machine. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. If there has been occasion when we've been in our own clinic and we've had a client who, I know we've been doing it for a few years, but it's always nice to think, right, I'm just going to ring up and ask. Fantastic. Instant. Been really, really good. The training is fantastic. Everyone's, you're always very scared when you first start doing a new treatment, but you're in there and you see the results, you see how happy your clients are, and it's quite exhilarating for the therapist as well. Definitely. Well, I actually have been teaching at Tameside College for the past 18 years, and they're actually taking on the new level 4 programme.
My name's Ruth Brockley, and I started Laser Clinic North Wales Limited just over 5 years ago. My first purchase was the basic LUMINA machine, and then I soon found that the business was growing very rapidly, so I upgraded that to the Q switch. Absolutely brilliant. There's times when I've been in a situation, I've got a client on my couch, and I have always got somebody I can speak to. It's very easy to use, it's very straightforward, and excellent results. Yes, yeah. I'm always more than happy to speak to anybody who's considering purchasing any Lynton machines, and pass on my experience.